puppy, Sunshine. Get Pebbles. Get her. Get your puppy. Sunshine got toy. What are you doing? Eslin. Darci, you go outside. Come on, Pebbles. Hi. Hi, honey. Sunshine, come here, honey. Go see why she's acting so crazy. Darci, what you doing? You hunting Pebbles? Hey, come back outside. Come on, guys. Sunshine, get the puppy. Get your puppy, Sunshine. No bark. Sunshine, don't bark. Get your puppy. Trying to keep up. Pebbles, get her, Sunshine. Get the puppy. These guys played good together, but Darci is a little rough. She's so big, too. Get this one, Sunshine. Get Darci. Darci, be nice. Don't bite. No bite. Uh-oh, who got hurt? You're okay. You okay, Darci? Let Sunshine play. Stop it. Don't be so rough. You don't have to be so rough. Stop hurting each other. Goodness. You're gonna tear off an ear. You're gonna tear her ear off. You okay? Pebbles, you okay? Sunshine, play soft. You play too rough, Peppy. Let them have some fun. You have to wait. Look at Mama. Hi, baby. You have eyes? Can we even see your eyes? You're so dark. You're hard to see. Yeah, hard to see. Darci, come on. You could play. You can't go play because you're just going to make them not play. You want to get down and go play? Okay, go play with Sunshine. There you go. Darci, get Sunshine. Sunshine, play with Darci. Darci, be nice. Be nice, Darci. Darci, you be nice. You be nice. Good girl, Sunshine. Go potty? Go pee-pee outside, Darci? Good girl. Good girl. Yay, you go potty outside. That's good. Go pee-pee, that's nice. Good girl, Darci.